You're recording?
Okay. Once you actually get to the course is easy. The rest of it suck balls. You need me to read all this?
You can just tell me your thoughts
I
on
like the
it.
picture.
And as you scroll down and read it, just is it? I just need to know if everything's clear, if I need to add anything,
Oh,
and
okay.
the usability.
So far,
So there's two things.
I'm technologically retarded, so far it's been easy getting through this portion of it. Okay. Include a few references. Nice, I like that. So far, all the links are working just fine. That's kind of cool. Now, are these ads supposed to be in here?
Oh yeah, it's part of the ad. I mean, it's part of the source that I had chosen.
Okay, good enough. Okay, so
And there's that second one there, in case I don't know if you missed it.
I did.
Okay. Maybe I need to have it.
No,
Is there something that?
I just wasn't looking for it.
Oh, okay.
No, everything's right there. It's within the view and everything, but I just wasn't looking for it. Was all. So right now we're comparing and contrasting Halloween and Day of the Dead.
Yeah, you're just doing the research on both of them, and
Well,
then
you've already done the research.
And then
This is everything you've done, right?
yeah, that's the stuff that I've done that I added to make it easier for you, the learner, to so that you don't have to do it yourself. Everything's kind of right there. That these are all of the materials that are for student viewing.
And this has all the information for the questions that you're going to ask.
There's not really questions.
Okay.
We'll get to that. I'll have you read the. Pretty creepy, huh?
Oh, that's cool. I like the. They're good pictures. I like that. They don't look like they're made of pumpkin though.
Oh, they're birds. We used a lot of different things.
I remember you were saying something about turnips. All right, so that worked just fine. Everything up here. Okay, so now heading to the introduction. I love that picture. That's hard to say. Yeah, pictures I hate. Okay, so moving on to expectations.
I'm not really concerned with the due dates right now because we're not live.
Okay.
I should probably mention it's a 2 week class. Would that be something that you think that I need to
I would.
do right off the bat? It's like this is a mini course. It's 2 weeks.
Mm-hmm. Because it'll help them get in their head. Hey, like said, as timely responses. We've only got 2 weeks to do this, so get our asses in gear.
And each assignment is there's a week. So the class is 2 weeks. So technically there's two assignments.
There you go. It's a 2 week course with two assignments. You know, one each due at the end of each week, or something like that. Whatever. All right. Okay. Sources. Okay. Everything looks like it should link out. So let's see here. Oh. Okay, she's awfully quiet. I'm going to click on all these links and just wander on down. all the links are working
Oh, good.
that I've clicked on so far. I really hate these advertisements. I just don't think they should be.
You're right.
I mean, it's almost like one of those Facebook
Okay.
clickbait crap. I mean, it's not obviously, but it kind of strikes me as like just that's my only complaint so far.
Okay. Maybe I can find a way to get the information out there and without that.
I mean, it's definitely not a make or break kind of thing, but if I'm trying to study your class or any class, and technically they're not pop-ups, they're
Yeah.
part of it, but it's like really.
And you're absolutely right. And that's usually not something that we would have. Um, yeah, unfortunately, a lot of these are blogs that have those type of.
Gotcha. Well then, I mean there's nothing to do about it, but Lending Tree. But you understand where I'm coming from.
Oh yeah.
I know I'm not saying it very well.
No, you're right.
But anyway, like, let's see. Yeah, every link that I've clicked on has worked. This is cool with
And it
and you've
doesn't
put a
have
lot of work into this.
and that doesn't have the stuff that drives you nuts.
No, this one does. No, this is what I would expect when I'm going through a class.
Okay.
Doesn't mean I'm right. Just
No, you are right. You're absolutely
it's not
right.
distracting. It's
Yeah.
okay. I can now read about Sam Hain, the Celts, and or whatever page I'm having.